External miters are very handy when it comes to joining up your skirting boards. Joining your skirting boards to adjacent skirting is very important and allows the room to flow and look tidy too. There's nothing worse than having your new skirting ruined by a poor or rough joining job. So in today's video we're going to show you just that, how to do an external mitre on skirting boards. Before you begin, here's the tools and materials you'll need to get the job done. You'll need a chop saw or a handsaw, a mitre block, adhesive, packers, tape measure, pencil, sandpaper and a brush. Step 1. Before starting, make sure the area you intend to fit the skirting boards is nice and clean. If you see any dirt or debris within the area or even dust, grab a brush and start removing them until the area is clean. Step 2. Before you cut the skirting board, first measure the walls to see how long they are. Once satisfied, mark the first skirting board and have the markings close to the left hand side of the skirting. Then, using a chop saw or handsaw combined with a mitre block, have the skirting board facing you and cut the end at a 45-degree angle. However, unlike the internal mitre, make sure you cut it on the outside rather than the inside of the skirting board. Once done, then cut the skirting board to the size of the wall and make sure it fits. When you are satisfied, get the other skirting board and turn it around so that the profile is facing away from you. Mark the spot and make sure to cut it at 45 degrees in the opposite direction. Cut the skirting and now your skirting ends should now look like this. Step 3. Next, using sandpaper, take the burr off the skirting boards. Test the mitre joins using dry fixing. If it looks good, you can proceed to step 4. If it's off, repeat step 2 by marking and rechecking the mitre joins. Step 4. If the mitre join is good, flip the skirting board so that you can see the back of them. Then, in a zigzag line, apply adhesive. Once done, grab the skirting boards and stick them one by one carefully on the walls. Use pressure to allow the skirting to stick properly on the wall. Once the two are stuck down and connected at the join, let the glue set for a while. And that is how to do an external mitre. Hopefully this guide has helped you out. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to see more content from us, remember, hit the subscribe button. Until then, we will see you in our next video.